Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. As promised, we're going to do some Thanksgiving side dishes, and this one I think you're going to really like. It's very different, unique. It fits right in with the fall and the pumpkins and Thanksgiving. It's a cauliflower dish that's called pumpkin spice cauliflower. I have my salted water boiling, and now I'm going to add the cauliflower that's been broken into individual florets. I'm going to boil this for about 5 minutes, just so that they're a little bit cooked and a little bit tender. I've cooked the cauliflower and I'm now having it drained. And that's a head of cauliflower. In the meantime, I've got 3 tablespoons of butter I'm heating up. And I'm going to mix in 3 tablespoons of flour. And continually to stir this so it gets nice and smooth. Now in here I'm going to mix 1½ cups of milk. I'm going to do this kind of slow. Make sure we don't get any lumps. This is just like making gravy. Into my milk, butter, and flour mixture, I'm going to put in 1½ cups of white cheddar cheese. And a ½ teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Now we'll stir this until we get a nice creamy consistency. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to take my cauliflower that I cooked and put it into a casserole dish. Pour our mixture on top of it. Oh, it smells good. Now note, this recipe is called pumpkin pie spice cauliflower. There's no pumpkin in it. It's just the spices that would go into a pumpkin pie.
Smell pumpkin.
Yeah, it's the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the clove and all the spices that go into pumpkin pie spice. So we're going to stir that up. Here I've got a mixture of ½ cup of breadcrumbs and a ½ cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And try to use the real Parmesan cheese, not the stuff in a can. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. Now I've got an oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to let that bake uncovered for 20-25 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. So it's been baking for 20 minutes. Take it out. out of the oven. Breadcrumbs nice and brown. And there's the finished product. Okay, I'll let it cool off a little bit. Let's take a taste of this. I can see the nice creaminess of the cheese, brown breadcrumbs. Smells delicious. Tastes just like Thanksgiving. Like I said, and I make this every Thanksgiving, when I have Thanksgiving at my house. So there's, like I said, another nice side dish for Thanksgiving. It's a little bit different, unique, but maybe it could be a future tradition for you. Give this recipe a try. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Visit YouTube at Ed Foodie, Fun with Food, and please subscribe. Thank you.
You want me to? It's good.
Let's give it a taste, or a test. It's pretty hot. It's so good.
Too hard. You can't.
No, I breathed in the breadcrumbs.